Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to purchase Elongate or SafeMoon without using the Binance Wallet. So what's nice about this is Binance US is a pain in the ass to get verified on. It takes a couple attempts for you to even succeed at doing so, and then after you do, it just pens forever, and I'm still not even verified on it. So I had to figure out a way to go about it, doing it the other way. I'll also kind of briefly tell you another way to purchase SafeMoon and SafeMoon only with BitMart. But I do want to preface this by saying, hey guys, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm sorry I don't have the software or the knowledge how to properly edit stuff, um, blur stuff out. So I'm not going to actually be doing the transactions. I'll simply kind of guide you through it, tell you how to do it, and somewhat try to show you how to do it. The other thing I want to point out is I'm not a financial advisor. So, this is not financial advice. I'm assuming that you've done your research, that you have your mind set on purchasing this. And I do want to remind you, do not invest your life savings into this. Cryptocurrency, especially these particular cryptocurrencies, are very volatile. It could go up, it could go down. So don't risk more money than you're willing to lose. But let's go ahead and get started. So in order to purchase Elongate or SafeMoon, you do need the Binance coin. However, you can get it without using the Binance wallet. And the way to do that is you pick any cryptocurrency that you can send over to Atomic Wallet. So I went with XLM or Stellar Lumens. So you buy your amount and then you send it over to the Atomic Wallet. If you are brand new to this whole idea of cryptocurrency and you have no idea what I'm talking about, so when you open up Atomic Wallet, click on XLM, click on Receive, and an address for your wallet will show up. So you will copy and paste that into whatever application you're using to send the XLM to Atomic Wallet. So in Coinbase, you select your XLM wallet, you select the amount, and then when you hit next, it'll ask you to put in, copy and paste the XLM address for the wallet where you'd like to send it to. I do want to point out it will notify you that an XLM memo might be needed. Atomic Wallet does not require it. However, if you want to go through BitMart, that application requires you to use their XLM memo. Atomic Wallet does not. Now, once you have the XLM in your Atomic Wallet, you're going to want to exchange it for Binance. So you click the exchange button in the center, you select the amount. By the way, it doesn't cost you a penny to transfer XLM over to Atomic Wallet. So it's really nice. You get 100% that you purchase on Coinbase. And then you will convert it here into BNB or Binance Coin. And there's a small transaction fee in order to exchange it. Now, once it converts, you're going to take that BNB that you've just acquired and you're going to click send. And you're going to open up your Trust wallet. And so you will select BNB on your Trust wallet, click on receive, and you will paste that information into here and click send. Now it might take a couple seconds, it might even take a couple minutes, so don't freak out. But once it's here, you will click on the BNB, you will click on the three dots, and you will click on swap to smart chain, and that will convert it into the smart chain version of BNB. I do want to point out here that there is a 0.004075 BNB transaction cost to convert BNB into smart chain BNB. So in order to account for it, what you will do is you take the maximum amount of BNB that you own and you subtract 0.004075 BNB from it, and then you click swap. Again, it might be instantaneous, it might take a couple minutes to show up, but once it does, you are ready to exchange the BNB for Elongate or SafeMoon. So you'll click on the dApps tab at the bottom here, the second one from the left, and then you'll click on PancakeSwap. And the first time you load PancakeSwap, there's going to be a little button at the top that says connect. Once you click it, your BNB balance will automatically load. And at the second box, you're going to select the currency that you're looking to exchange for. So if you're going with Elongate, pick Elongate. If you're going with SafeMoon, obviously pick SafeMoon. You can search for cryptocurrency in here. If for some reason Elongate or SafeMoon does not show up in the search bar, this is what you do. You go to the official website of that cryptocurrency, and please only go to their official website. Do not trust YouTubers or anybody who's doing tutorials. There are a lot of scammers, and I want to make sure that you don't lose your money for a silly screw up. So you go to the official website. So for example, SafeMoon, you click on how to buy, and it will provide you with their official SafeMoon wallet address that you can copy and paste into the search bar here, and then that currency will show up here as an option. You only have to do it the first time. You don't have to do it after that, but keep that in mind. Now, before you complete the transaction, you do have to click on settings, and you have to change the slippage tolerance to 12%. It might work with a lower figure, but usually it won't. So if you don't want to waste any time, just put in 12% and click swap, and that will complete your transaction. Once you do, your Elongate or SafeMoon will show up in your wallet, and you will even see the numbers going up as additional currency is being added to your wallet. So that's it. Hopefully you found this useful. I know it's kind of a pain in the butt to try to figure all of this stuff out with a million steps. The other way that you can purchase SafeMoon, and it only works for SafeMoon, is to use BitMart. So the way I did it is I took XLM from Coinbase, transferred it to BitMart. Again, you absolutely have to use the XLM memo that BitMart provides, so make sure you put it in. And once the XLM is there on BitMart, you sell it for USDT, and then you use the USDT balance to purchase SafeMoon. Now, Trust Wallet is more of a preferred way for a lot of people to buy these two currents or the SafeMoon, because on here coins are constantly being added to your total, whereas on the BitMart application, for some reason it does not. I don't know if they don't credit it to your account, or maybe they do it once a month where they just add it in bulk. I have no idea what's going on with that, but I just kind of wanted to give you a heads up that A, it's an option, and B, you're not going to see your value going up on BitMart. But yeah, this completes the video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you found this useful and you are feeling generous enough to leave a tip, I'll leave some information down in the description box below the video. I'll probably link a way for you to tip me in like Dogecoin or Bitcoin, and maybe like a cash option like PayPal or Venmo or something like that. But you certainly don't have to tip. Again, I'm not a professional YouTuber or anything like that. I don't make a living doing this. I just wanted to help some people out. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Hopefully you make $1 million.